This video tutorial I will explain what is a power supply unit or a PSU. A power supply unit is like the energy provider for your computer. It is a box inside the computer that takes electricity from your wall outlet and turns it into the right kind of power that your computer parts need to work. Now we will see what a PSU does. First point is converts power. The PSU takes high voltage electricity from your wall, which is usually AC power, and converts it into low voltage DC power that your computer parts can use safely. Second point is powers all the parts. The PSU sends power to the motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard drives, graphics card, and other parts through the special cables. Without the PSU, none of these parts would turn on. Third point is controls voltage. Different parts of the computer need different amount of power. The PSU makes sure each part gets the right amount of voltage it needs to work properly. Fourth point is keeps things safe. The PSU has safety features to protect your computer from problems like power surges or overheating. Fifth point is connects to the wall. The PSU has a cable that plugs into your wall outlet to get the power. It also has a switch to turn the power on or off. In short, the power supply unit is the energy heart of your computer. It makes sure all the parts get the power they need to run smoothly and safely. Without it, your computer wouldn't even turn on. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.